Welcome back, Crammers, to question 22. 60 students sat a mathematics exam. The mean mark for 32 students in Class A was 55. The mean mark for 28 students in Class B was 52. Find the mean mark for all 60 students. So mean is simply equal to total divided by quantity. But that also means that if we bring quantity to the other side, then total is equal to mean times quantity. How does this help us? If we're able to find the total for Class A and the total for Class B and divide it by 60, we get the mean for all 60 students. So in order to find the total, it's simply the mean times the amount. So we can see here that the mean for Class A was 55 and multiplied by the amount of students is 32. Then we have to add that with the other total, which is 52 times 28. And to find the mean, it is simply total divided by quantity. And since this is our total, we can then divide it by 60 in order to find our mean. We can then put this into a calculator to find our answer, which is 55 times 32 plus 52 times 28, which is then divided by 60. That gives us 53.6. 53.6. What does that mean? That means the mean mark for all 60 students is 53.6. So just about there. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.